Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of the Data Playlist. This is Somajit Parida and my YouTube channel Lazy Yogis. Please do like and subscribe. And today's video, the topic is a very short and precise topic, that is star schema, how to use an application called DB schema, and then how to visualize the a star schema diagram in DB schema, as well as if one cannot see the diagram in the database, then what is the alternative to see the diagrams, or what is the alternative to know what kind of design or schema design is available in the database. Okay, to create a star schema, I created these following tables like customers, where the primary key is customer ID, the orders, where the primary key is order ID, products, where the primary key is or product ID, and these are all the dimension tables. The fact table is the order items, which is the transaction table, where the foreign keys are mentioned, that is order ID and the product ID, that is the orders and the products. These are the dimensions, and these dimensions are connected to this fact table, where the reference to these where the primary key is the order ID and the product ID, and they have reference to the tables, the fact tables, so to the dimension tables. Okay, so here I created the following tables, and apart from that, there is also some other test tables that is present here. After creating this, so this is the my star schema design, where the dimension tables are connected to the fact tables. Okay, this is I design, but after 10 days, if a new guy comes, how one can know which kind of design is available in the database? So this is the test database that I'm showing you guys. So I use an application that is DB schema, where you can download it for free, where I connected to the test DBO, that Emmons PI test DBO. I connected here, and I can already see the tables here. Apart then after connecting, when I press OK, then I already see in the main layout, the star schema design, where the order items is the fact table, and these are the dimension tables, and they have these are the and here is the connection, and the foreign keys are connected to the foreign keys, and these are the primary keys, and these are the foreign key. This is the key that is connected here, and these are the foreign key reference in this transaction table. Apart from that, there are other two tables present. So in short, if somebody in short, if you are allowed in your organization to use DB schema, then you can directly know which kind of schema design is present. Let's say you're not allowed to download and use DB schema, then either you can go here and check if, sorry, here in the database diagrams, if there is if any diagram is present. But sometimes people do not use a SQL Server Studio Management to draw database diagrams. What they do it somewhere else and push it into the database, and a new guy will only see these many tables in the database. So how can we know which kind of, whether it's a star schema, galaxy schema, or a snowflake schema, which kind of schema design is present? Another technique is to use an SQL code. That is, this is the code, and here by running this code, I get this output, where I can already see order items, which is a transaction table, table name, and order ID and the product ID are the foreign keys, because here I have mentioned as foreign key order ID and primary and product ID, and it is connected to the order table and the product table. So here at the key table, I get which are the IDs that are connected to different other tables. This is how one can know which kind of schema designs are present, which are the primary keys, which are the foreign keys, in short, rather than going one by one into each table and checking which columns are what. Okay, so how to design a star schema, how to use an application to see which kind of design is present, and at the end, if you are not allowed to use DB schema, then what is the SQL code to see which kind of schema design is present, and what are the foreign and the primary keys. This is what I wanted to share, guys, and have a nice day, guys, and we'll see each other in the next video.